What's up, everyone? I'm starting a series where I review Tesla accessories and give them a yay or a nay. I will only pick products that I think are potentially useful, and I will leave out the crap. There's a lot of useless junk out there. And when it comes to reviews, your trust means everything to me, so I will always give you my honest opinion, and I am not being paid to make this video. Let's get to it. All right, y'all. Our first product, we're starting with the banger. These are the Puddle lights from Tlyard, and yeah, these are seriously banging. I mean, these lights are sharp. You can mix and match. They have like 13 different options. So the only thing I wish is that these are a little brighter. But even so, these are still very visible at night. And yeah, I compared it with my friend's Mercedes Puddle lights, and those are definitely significantly brighter. But again, Mercedes charges like, I think $200 or something for that option. And these lights are seriously affordable. With my discount code, 27% off, you can get 4 of them for under 30 bucks. So yeah, these are an easy buy for me. Super easy to install, super cheap. Like most light mods require you to take apart your car interior in some way, shape, or form. But these ones, you just pop out the OEM light and then put in these replacement lights. And maybe in the future, if they can make these like spin or some crazy stuff like that, that'd be a huge step. But yeah, these are an easy buy for me. 5 out of 5 stars. It is definitely a yay from me. I think this will be a rare rating, 5 out of 5, but these definitely hit the marks. I would buy these like any day. And the next product we have are these carbon fiber door handle covers from Tlyard. So these are real carbon fiber, and they're basically just a cover that you stick on like there. The installation is really easy. And funny enough, no one's really talked to me or complimented me about this car yet, but literally the first drive that I put these on, I was driving around, these kids were just bicycling, and then they stopped my car like right in front of me at the stop sign. And they're like, whoa, is this the new 2024 Model 3 Performance? I'm like, yeah, you should get one of these one day. And then they came around to the side and they're like, whoa, these door handles are sick. So yeah, it was weird. No one's mentioned this car before until that moment. Probably a coincidence, but yeah, basically they look amazing. I really enjoy them. And if you use my discount code, they're around 70 bucks, just under. If you're going for the cheaper side and you like the look, you can get a vinyl sticker. I'd recommend that. If you like the real carbon fiber, which I personally do, these are a really great option. But you do want to watch out for a few things. You have to really get a perfect fit on these, so just center it really nicely, or else the handles can get kind of caught when you push it in. So that's something I learned the hard way. Just got to make sure you center it really well. And then one other note, you can kind of feel the edges here when you open it. Most people, if they're just like opening a Tesla for the first time, they won't notice, but just something to be cognizant of. I would definitely give these handles a yay. I would say it's not for everyone, given the price, around $70, but they look amazing. People like the look of them. So yeah, given that, I would say it's probably a 4-star out of 5. To install the Puddle lights, you can take a screwdriver, in my case a mini crowbar, shove it under the OEM lights and apply some leverage and pop out the OEM lights. And to unplug them, there's a little plastic cover covering the clip that releases this light. I just pushed it back until the lights finally popped out. This part can be a little tricky. And now you can grab your Puddle lights, and they come with these extension cords that I personally prefer to use. They're optional. But yeah, I plug them into the Tesla door and then plug them into the Puddle lights. It doesn't actually matter which direction, the polarity that you hook up the wires. All you want to do is shine the light on your hand and make sure the words and the logo are pointing the correct way before you push them into the car. And now we can just shove them back in until you hear some clicks, and you are good to go. And next, to install the carbon fiber door handles, you want to take this double-sided glue strip that Tlyard provides. It's nice because they provide a little extra in case you mess up. And you want to put 3 strips on it, one on the bottom, middle, and top, and just give it a press down. And you want to give your handles a good wipe before you start. Peel off the back side of the double-sided tape. This is actually kind of hard to get off. And once these are all peeled off, you're good to go. You want to put these on really centered, or else the door handles will get caught when you open it. So before really pressing these into the door handle, I recommend opening the door handle a few times just to see if it's going to get caught. And if it checks out, then you can really press these in to get them stuck. But now you have your carbon fiber door handles. They open great if you install it well. And now you have some matching carbon fiber for your back wing. You can get these in gloss finish or matte finish. And from the factory, they have a little white residue on the edges, but these do wipe off pretty easily, and then the fit and finish is pretty glossy and very good. And for those of you still watching, I'm bringing this Model 3 Performance to a dyno and Willow Springs for a track day this coming weekend. Thank you so much to my subscribers. Stay tuned for the next one.